Hi everyone, I'm here at Essendon. We have a Comengs departing. Carriage over here is 1062T. It is a Flinders Street service. 423M, 309M, 1005T, and 310M. Rear half being EDI refurbished. Another Comengs arriving, the front half being EDI refurbished. Sorry about the shakiness, it is pretty windy. $495M is the front car. 1098T, 496M, sorry I missed that one, 1170T, sorry I missed the car in the middle. And the Comengs is departing, sorry about the poor lighting. Rear car is 639M. We have an EDI refurbished Comengs arriving. $424M is the front car. Comengs is now departing. It is a Flinders Street service. Second car is 1062T, 423M, 309M, 1005T, and 310M. Rear half is EDI refurbished. We have another EDI refurbished Comengs arriving onto platform 3 at Essendon. We'll be catching this train. Here's a Craigieburn service. Front car 495M, second 1098T, third 496M, fourth 640M. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure you continue watching and hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you and see you next time.